Why do senators continue to push for hearings regarding Duterte's arrest while the Senate is on recess? And why is the impeachment trial of Sara Duterte being postponed, which is said to affect the upcoming elections? Is this hearing more about politics than human rights? On February 5th, 2025, the Philippine Senate adjourned for its recess due to the upcoming elections. While some crucial issues were put on hold, senators like Amy Marcos and Alan Peter Cayetano are continuing to push for hearings regarding Duterte's arrest. Why? Despite the recess, do they have time for this, but not to proceed with the impeachment trial of Sara Duterte? Could there be a deeper political interest hidden here? Senator Amy Marcos, a staunch defender of her father's legacy, leads the hearing to question the jurisdiction of the International Criminal Court, ICC, in the Philippines. According to her, the ICC's intervention is a violation of the Philippines' sovereignty and the country's right to handle cases like Duterte's without external interference. Senator Alan Peter Cayetano, a loyal ally of Duterte, also expressed concerns about foreign interference in Philippine affairs. He sees the hearing as an opportunity to strengthen the country's independence and defend its legal system from foreign influences. The impeachment trial of Sara Duterte is postponed, but why is there a swift push for the hearing on Duterte's arrest? The Senate claims they cannot address the impeachment trial because it would affect the election process, but why do they have time for this issue? This contradiction is striking. The Senate is on recess, yet they continue with a hearing that some say benefits their political allies. Meanwhile, the impeachment trial of Sara Duterte is postponed, with the Senate claiming they cannot proceed due to its impact on the election process. Isn't it surprising that while they easily push aside other issues, they have time for this hearing? This raises questions. Are senators really concerned about the election's impact? Or are they prioritizing certain issues to push their political agenda? Why do they immediately proceed with the hearing on Duterte, but hesitate to continue more important issues, such as the impeachment trial? As the hearing progresses, some say it is becoming an echo chamber for Duterte's supporters. Critics argue that the hearing is turning into a political propaganda platform rather than a true effort for justice or human rights. While Duterte's defense is strengthened, the larger issues of accountability and human rights seem to be left behind. The hearing is being presented as a step to defend the Philippines' sovereignty. But many are asking, is this about justice or about strengthening political power? The people affected by Duterte's controversial war on drugs, those who have been victims of human rights violations, are struggling to gain attention. The true issue of human rights should be at the forefront, but it is overshadowed by the noise of politics and Duterte's supporters. As the hearing continues, the question remains, are senators addressing the real concerns of Filipinos, or are they using this to push their own political agenda? The Philippines is facing many crises, from economic challenges to ongoing health problems. If there are important issues to focus on, is this really the time to focus on Duterte's arrest? The delay of the impeachment trial of Sara Duterte only adds to the doubt about the Senate's priorities. Do they truly want justice? Or are they simply using this to divert attention from the most important issues affecting ordinary Filipinos? Don't forget to like, share, leave a comment, and hit the notification bell. Subscribe now to Ang Kampanero, Tinig ng Katotohanan, Tunog ng Kasaysayan,